Welcome to the North Omaha Academy of Healthy Living. The Academy offers free educational sessions to help people learn to be healthy. We use the body, mind, and spirit to help you make better health choices. In Eat Well, Live Well, our diet class, we use 3 tools to help us lose weight: plan, track, review. All of these tools should be used after a period of prayer and meditation. Now this week we're going to talk about exercise. You see, in Eat Well, Live Well, we try and dispel many of the myths we have about weight gain and eating right. For example, you can hear people say we gain weight because we eat too much of one food and not enough of another. We should eat more fat, or we should eat more grains. At other times, you'll hear people say we gain weight because we have a special problem with metabolism. The real answer is simpler. We gain weight because we eat more calories than we burn. It does not matter if the calories are in the form of breads, meat, cheese, or candy. When we take in more food than we burn, we gain weight. Now, we tend to eat more because we eat impulsively or for emotional reasons. In addition, the food we eat today is more calorie-packed and comes in larger portions. We counteract these things with a method called Plan, Track, Review, and you can find out more about this method in some of our other videos. This week, we're talking about another area full of misinformation: exercise, and specifically about some of the myths surrounding exercise, weight gain, and diet. When you're trying to lose weight, you can use exercise as an excuse to eat more. You can hear people say things like, "If I exercise more, I can eat whatever I want," or "It's okay to eat this huge meal because I already walked today," or "Well, I guess I'll have to run off this cupcake later on." The truth is, our feet are never as fast as our stomach. We can always eat more than we can exercise. For example, how much exercise does it take to work off the calories contained in a large chicken salad, a large coffee, or a large pizza slice? What do you think? Well, we need to walk 1 hour and 20 minutes to work off the calories in a large chicken salad. You would need to vacuum your house for 1 hour, 30 minutes to work off the calories of a large coffee, or you would need to walk for 1 hour and 20 minutes to work off a large pizza slice. That's a lot of exercise. I've never walked 1 hour and 20 minutes after one slice of pizza. I have eaten large slices of pizza for 1 hour and 20 minutes, however, during which time I ate more than one slice, several more in fact. And that is the concern. When we use exercise as an excuse to eat more than we need, we end up gaining weight. 1 hour of vigorous walking burns 280 calories. That means you have to walk around your block 14 times in 1 hour to burn the calories contained in one candy bar or one can of sugared pop. It takes less time to eat a candy bar than it does to walk around the block 14 times. So it's very easy to say we'll exercise and work off these extra calories, but very difficult to do so. But you say, the media is always telling us about people who exercise and eat thousands of calories. Well, this is indeed possible, but these individuals exercise at a level which few of us can maintain. A typical basketball player has to run laps for 2 hours and play vigorous basketball for 3 hours to burn 2,500 calories. Now, the typical person eats about 1,800 or 2,000 calories a day, which means we would have to do the same level of workout for 4 or 5 hours to burn up what we normally eat in a day. Can you do that? So why do we, the typical people who struggle with weight, exercise? Well, exercise has many benefits. For example, exercise decreases blood pressure and makes our veins more flexible, which decreases our chance for a stroke. Exercise helps the body utilize glucose more efficiently, which helps prevent diabetes. Exercise will increase bone strength and density, which decreases the risk of fracture. Now, exercise does have some effect on weight, but it takes time. If, for example, you are not at all active, but started to walk 3 times per week, you will increase the calories you burn by about 20%. Now, if you don't eat any more than normal, you could lose up to 1/2 pound to 1 pound per week. This could amount to about 26 pounds in a year. This is indeed a great reason for exercise, but exercise is not a blank check to eat whatever you want. Perhaps the most important reason to exercise is the effect exercise has on mood. When you exercise, you feel better. You're less stressed. You're less moody. You have a less chance to eat for emotional reasons, which is the main cause of weight gain. So how do you exercise, especially if you've not exercised very much lately? Well, we recommend doing something you can do consistently 3 to 5 times per week. This is very important. Do something small if you have to, but do something you can do consistently. That way it's something you can build on. Do something that does not hurt. We recommend walking. It's cheap. You can do 2 things at once. You can read a book. You can listen to your tunes. You can also start out slow. Walking 1 or 2 blocks per day 3 times a week is a great place to start. Keep it up and build on it. The ultimate goal is to try and exercise about 150 minutes per week, which means about 30 minutes 5 times a week. There's also 2 safety rules to keep in mind. Do not exercise if you are in significant pain or if you have chest pain. And also don't exercise if you have trouble breathing. In either of these cases, or if you have other chronic illnesses, speak with your healthcare provider before you start an exercise program. If you have trouble with walking, such as in the case if you have joint pain, we recommend you check out the YouTube video Sit and Be Fit, which uses simple exercises without having to stand. Why don't you try increasing your exercise in this next week? I'm sure you'll feel better, and you'll be able to eat well and live well. Thanks very much.